Welcome to our comprehensive guide on seeds starting indoors. If you're a gardening enthusiast, you know how exciting it is to get a head start on the growing season. Starting your seeds indoors is not only a great way to get a jump on the growing season, but it's also a cost-effective way to grow your own plants. Plus, you'll be able to control the environment and ensure that your plants get the best possible start. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of starting your seeds indoors, from gathering your materials to transplanting your seedlings. So, grab your seed trays and let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before you get started with seed starting, it's important to gather all the materials you'll need. Here's a list of the essentials. Seed trays or containers. Seed starting soil. Seeds. Labels or markers. A spray bottle or watering can. A grow light. Optional. Step 2. Choose your seeds. Once you have all your materials, it's time to choose which seeds you want to start indoors. When selecting seeds, consider your climate and the amount of sunlight your garden receives. Some good choices for indoor seed starting include tomatoes, peppers, herbs, and lettuce. Step 3. Fill your seed trays with soil. Now it's time to fill your seed trays with soil. Choose a high-quality seed starting soil that is lightweight and well-draining. Moisten the soil before planting your seeds. Step 4. Plant your seeds. When planting your seeds, follow the instructions on the seed packet for planting depth and spacing. Make sure to label your seed trays so you know which seeds are which. You can use a marker, labels, or even popsicle sticks to identify your plants. Step 5. Provide proper lighting and watering. Now that your seeds are planted, it's time to provide them with proper lighting and watering. If you're using a grow light, make sure to position it about 2 to 3 inches above the seedlings. This will give them the light they need to grow strong and healthy. Water your seedlings regularly, but be careful not to overwater them. You want the soil to be moist, but not waterlogged. You can use a spray bottle or watering can to water your seedlings. Step 6. Monitor your seedlings. As your seedlings begin to grow, it's important to monitor them closely. Keep an eye out for any signs of pests or disease, and make sure to adjust your watering and lighting as needed. Step 7. Transplant your seedlings. Once your seedlings have grown large enough, it's time to transplant them into larger containers or into your garden. Make sure to harden off your seedlings before transplanting them, which means gradually exposing them to the outdoor environment. To transplant your seedlings, carefully remove them from the seed tray and gently loosen the roots. If you're transplanting them into larger containers, choose a container that is at least 2 inches wider than the seedling's root ball. If you're transplanting them into your garden, choose a spot that gets the right amount of sunlight and has well-draining soil. Well, there you have it, our comprehensive guide on seeds starting indoors. We hope this video has been helpful in getting you started on your gardening journey. Remember, starting your seeds indoors is a great way to get a jump on the growing season and ensure that your plants get the best possible start. Plus, it's a cost-effective way to grow your own plants. So grab your seed trays and get planting. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!